Hey you guys, welcome to a new episode of Food and the Single Guy with me, your very own AMARU. Now on this episode of Food and the Single Guy, I'm gonna show you how to make a quick little pasta dish. It is so quick and easy, it is so delicious, you're gonna love it. Now let me share with you the ingredients for this dish. First, the farfalle, which means butterfly in Italian, this dual color pasta, my purple onion, the extra virgin olive oil, the light crème fraîche, and I'm also going to add some light cream, mind you, some garlic, some rosemary, and some scallions. So what I have here in my little bowl are the prawns, which I've seasoned with some garlic powder, some black pepper, some pink Himalayan sea salt, some chili powder, and some parsley. And lastly, what I'm going to add are my smoked salmon cubes. Okay, on to the cooking. First, we're going to infuse some extra virgin olive oil with some rosemary. We're going to give that a gentle stir and allow it to cook for a bit. Next, we're going to add the onion. And after about a minute or two, we're going to add the sliced garlic. Now, as soon as the garlic takes on some color, you add a dollop of the light crème fraîche and about 250 ml of light cream. And you want to stir well to allow the crème fraîche to liquefy. Adding the cherry tomatoes is totally optional. I added them because I didn't want my dish to look anemic. I needed some color. Allow the tomatoes to wilt a little and also make sure to cook the sauce on low to medium heat. So next you will season your sauce with either some salt or, as I'm used to, with a vegetable stock cube. And of course, stir the stock cube into the sauce. Next you will add the prawns and coat them well with the sauce. Allow the prawns to cook for no longer than 2 minutes or else they will turn into a rubbery mess. So you will now add the cubed salmon, give it a quick stir, allow it to cook for about a minute or two before adding the scallions. So next you will add the pasta, and as soon as the pasta goes into the pot, you stir it well, making sure that it's coated completely with the sauce. So after about another minute or so, your pasta is ready to be served, and this was my serving suggestion, by the way. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Honey, let me tell you, it was gorgeous. And for those who like to see me eat on camera, this is your moment. But don't get used to it, boo-boo. And there you have it, AMARU's creamy farfalle with smoked salmon and prawns. And wasn't that a quick little pasta dish? Oh, but it was. And it was to die for. Now, if you decide to try this one, let me know how it turned out, because I'm always genuinely interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, don't add crazy to the craziness, be safe. And until we meet again, have a good weekend, you guys. Bye.